coastal marine. 15 a.m. At 7:45 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located near Lake Harbor, moving northeast at 35 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Canal Point, Sandcut, Parkey, and Lake Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter.